So how to insert SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy A16? Use this kind of pin bar, and now you have to enter your SIM card. Make sure you're properly inserting it. Yeah, once done, now insert it. Now go to your setting, and if you go to the connections and SIM management, then you can see your SIM is available. If you want to add more SIM, just insert another SIM, but Samsung Galaxy A16 has no eSIM option. So to remove it, you have to insert and just disconnect it. No SIM. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.